This 2023 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your sofa, which folds into a bed. Across from this is your U-shaped dinette, which converts into a bed as well. Above your driving cockpit is your 57 by 95 inch loft bed, as well as a flat screen TV. Your coach is built on the Ford E450 chassis. It has a 7.3 liter V8 premium engine with 350 horsepower. Moving into the back, make note of your kitchen. With a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a microwave, and a fridge. Continuing into the back, you'll find your master bedroom with a queen-size bed. Adjacent to this is your bathroom. Returning outside, you have a rear backup camera and side spotting cameras. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.